Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Rise of Nations. To begin your journey, select a nation from the world map, each offering unique starting bonuses like increased resource production or military strength. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, which displays vital information such as your economy, military, and diplomatic relations. Your primary goal is to expand your territory, build a formidable army, and establish economic dominance over other players. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a successful start in the game. Managing your economy is paramount for national growth. Focus on producing essential resources such as oil, iron, and rare metals, which are vital for construction and military units. Invest in infrastructure projects like factories and mines to boost your output significantly, perhaps by 20% or more. Engage in trade with other nations to acquire resources you lack or to sell your surplus for profit. A balanced budget ensures you can fund both your military and technological advancements without financial strain. Diplomacy and warfare are two sides of the same coin in Rise of Nations. Form strategic alliances with other players to gain mutual protection and shared objectives, or declare war to expand your borders. Build a diverse military, including infantry, tanks, and air units, each with specific strengths and weaknesses. Deploy your forces strategically to conquer new territories, defend your existing borders, and achieve victory in large-scale conflicts. Mastering these aspects is key to global domination. To truly excel, delve into advanced strategies. Research new technologies to unlock powerful units, economic bonuses, and unique national abilities. For instance, researching advanced metallurgy might increase your iron production by 15%. Adapt your gameplay based on your chosen nation's strengths and the ever-changing global political landscape. Consider joining a faction for collective defense and coordinated attacks, which can provide a significant advantage in larger servers with many players. These tactics will elevate your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.